या प्रोग्रामाक रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा अलॉंग विथ मोयरा कायकिंग ग्रुप आणि आमचे बीजेपीचे युवा हे सगळे मेळोन करून आयज तांच्यांनी ऑफ क्लिननेस ऑफ युअर रिवर मोयरा रिवर तांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी काम सगळ्यांना 8 चालू केल्लें आसा आनी एक बरें काम कित्याक पळय जाल्यार ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 200 volunteers have been coming and going, and this कार्यक्रम will be for the whole day. And आमकां पळोवंक जाता की इतले आमचे सगळे कचरो बॉटल्स ना कितें कितें टीन्स आनी शूज सगळे आमी ते कलेक्ट करून विथ द बोट्स कायक बोट्स तांच्यानी सगळे हांगा कलेक्ट केल्ले आसा आनी तरी ते परत खुबशे आमचे बोटी अजून रिवरान आसा की हें काम बरें घेतलें आसा आमचे रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा सगळे यूथ आहा ताचे बरोबर आनी तशेंच ह्या कार्यक्रमाक आयज आमी आमचे उपाध्यक्ष ऑफ नॉर्थ गोवा फ्रँकी कारोल आसा तशेंच आमचे मंडळाचे आल्दोना मंडळाचे बाब विनय चोपडेकर आसा तशेंच आमचे साहिल आसा साहिल जनरल सेक्रेटरी सुनील खाडे आनी आमचो युवा अध्यक्ष बाब रणजीत उर्गांवकर आमचे बीजेपी तर्फे सगळे आयिल्ले आसा हेल्प करपाक एज वॉलंटियर्स आनी म्हजी एक मागणी आसा की लोकांनी अश्यो बाटल्यो हें बी उडोवंक फावना कित्याक फायनली रिवर सी इज अ होम फॉर द फीश फॉर द वायल्ड लायफ थ्रू खूब जाग्यांनी खूब इन डिफरंट एरियाज इवन रिवर वॉटर इज कन्विनियंट टू ड्रिंकींग वॉटर so it's the responsibility of each and every citizen to ensure that you not dump all this sort of garbages or maybe bottles or whatever along the river at the high tide now at the moment lot of bottles and empty bottles are just coming in and now these boats on both the sides once on the left and one on the right where they kept on collecting all those you can see those bags full of garbage which has been collected. I really congratulate the Rotary Club of Mapsa along with the Moira Kayaking Group that continue to do good work. Also support with Sona Solo and this is a very important step taken by Sangam Mapsekar and also Aditya Dalvi and of course our Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Group in performing such a beautiful job.
Hello everyone, माझे नाव सायली शिरवणकर. I am the current chairperson for Biodiversity Management Committee of Bastora and I thank the Moira Panchayat, Glenn sir and the entire people who are responsible for organizing this. कित्याक आमी एक फर्स्ट स्टेप घेतला टुवर्ड्स डुईंग अ बेटर थिंग आनी स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट आतां ही प्लेस आसा हांगासर लायक डेफिनेटली लोक येतलेत हांगा बसपाक ऑर इवनिंग स्पेंड करपाक बट जर हांगासर एक गार्बेज बीन आसा जाल्यार देन इट वूड बी अ बेटर थिंग कित्याक लोक इवनिंगाक येतले दे वील ऑब्वियसली ब्रिंग स्नॅक्स ऑर समथींग टू ड्रिंक आनी जर हांगासर डस्टबीन अशें कांय दिसोंक ना जाल्यार ऑब्वियसली दे वील फ्लंग इट इन टू दी वॉटर्स सो वन रिक्वेस्ट that Moira Panchayat can take up is that setting up a dustbin over here.
माझे नाव मानव शेडगावकर. I am representing Rotary Club of Mapsa. So on this Sunday morning we have started this very fun cleanliness drive in collaboration with Travel Expo and Moira Panchayat. So as you can see we have gathered here to clean up the entire backwaters of Aldona and we are helping to keep our environment clean. So as we can see we have volunteers not only from Aldona, from Mapsa, from Panjim and even some international volunteers also. So it is not that it is restricted to Moira only. So my only short message to everyone would be like let's be responsible citizens in helping our environment and we always say that prevention is better than cure. So instead of keeping such cleanliness drive we should make sure that we are not dumping waste in the backwaters or any environment and help keep our environment clean.
माझे नाव संगम म्हापसेकर हांव मोयडाच रावता आज विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रॅव्हल एक्सपी ग्रुप आमचे रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा आमचे बरोबर आसा सगळे आमचे एक्स MLA ग्लेन सर आनी आमचो यूथ मोयडेचो सगळे जाण आमी आज एकठांय जावन आमी चिंतले दॅट वेन वी लायक आदित्य सेड आमी जेन्ना दर्यान वयता रिवरान वयता खूब कचरो आमकां दिसता अँड इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर जस्ट 1 or 2 hands टू क्लीन द होल रिवर सो वी ट्राय टू कोलॅबरेट विथ पीपल आनी आमच्या बरोबर आमचा रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा कोण येता फुडें सो तेंचो प्रेसिडेंट आय हॅड अ वर्ड विथ देम अँड दे अग्री टू हेल्प हँड सो आज आमकां तेंच्यांनी प्लास्टीक गार्बेज बॅग्स प्रोवायड केला ग्लव्स हाडले आमी. सो वी आर डुईंग दीस विथ ऑल द सेफ्टी. सगळ्यांक लायफ जॅकेट्स प्रोवायड केला आमी. आणि एज यू कॅन सी वी हॅव कलेक्टेड मोर दॅन 50 kgs अँड दिस इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट बॅच. आमचे 3 बॅचीस आसा आज. आणि वी आर सेग्रिगेटिंग ऑल्सो द वेस्ट. वी आर नॉट गिविंग द वेस्ट in unsegregated manner. Plastic bottles separate केला, glass bottles separate केला, plastic bags separate केला. आणि we have collaborated with Moira Panchayat. So Moira Panchayat is going to help us dispose this waste in Saligaon waste treatment plant. हांगा सगळ्या जमलेल्यांक हांव थँक्यू म्हणटात. एज यू कॅन सी आतां आमचे कॅन्सराचे जे प्रमाण वाडलेले आसा इट इज बेसिकली मोर बिकॉज ऑफ आवर फूड हॅबिट्स. अँड आमचे फूड हॅबिट्स आर चेंजिंग बिकॉज आवर हॅबिट्स इन एज सोशल पीपल are changing. We are not acting responsible. More and more plastic is being generated. So companies have to be responsible to do eco-friendly packaging. But from our part as citizens, we have organized this drive to create awareness, one. And second is to get it to people's notice that itlo kachro already amcha utkan asa, so surfacer asa. Imagine how much will be inside the water.
I'm Aditya Darvi. So we operate here. We do a kayaking business over here. It's Baha Kayaks, and so whenever we go inside the river, we see lots of this garbage, floating bottles over here. So whenever we go inside, we make sure that we take some garbage out and do our part as a responsible citizen. But we see lots of people like sit over here, dump garbage, and they come over here at the down. They drink alcohol and everything and just dump the bottles inside. So so as a responsible citizen, we should take back whatever we are carrying. And with the support of everyone, we are conducting a cleanliness drive here at a larger scale. So earlier it was just 2 or 3 helping hands, but right now it's more than 100 people have come together and we are collecting all the garbage. And already we have collected 50 plus kgs of glass and plastic is out of the river. All this plastic, like everyone knows that plastic takes 500,000 years to decompose, and even these plastics decompose very slowly, and all these microplastics goes into this like a food cycle. Like the fishes will eat smaller fishes like the shrimps and everything. Shrimp basically feed on this all debris. Okay, so debris consists of also the plastic. So from there, the bigger fishes eat it. Bigger fishes are in white snapper, red snapper, all are over here, and everyone, all the Goan like sorsonak, tamoso. So when we eat it, it goes back to our stomach. And that's what. So all this cancer, everything is related. It starts from a person dumping a garbage bottle inside the river, and a person ending up in the hospital. So it's all the chain. So we have to break this chain by educating everyone that we shouldn't dump plastic bottles and anything in the river, because it pollutes the river and eventually it will affect us.
Hi, my name is Saloni Mandrekar. हाच्या पयलीं हांव केन्ना कायाकिंगाक वचूंक ना, आनी दीस वॉज माय फर्स्ट टायम. सो इनिशियली आमकां पयलीं आमचे कडेन कंट्रोल जायनासलो, एंड बट आतां कळटा. आतां हांव बरें चलयता. And like me and my friend Namrita have collected more than 3 bags, and like मजा भी येता. सो अशें दिसता की एवरी मंथ ही एक्टिविटी परत जावची आनी एवरी मंथ आमी परत करची एक्टिविटी.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.